The president not only believes in the rule of law, he embraces it. Hence, he will let due process follow its course and not put his thumb on the scale over the impeachment complaints filed against him of late. Our Kenneth Paciente has more, to include the president's firstborn, an Ilocos Norte lawmaker voluntarily recusing himself from taking part whatsoever in the complaints.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. respects the developments surrounding the impeachment complaints filed against him. Malacanang said the president will not interfere in whatever actions the Congress deems proper to take regarding the complaints. This was the palace's response after the lower house referred the complaints to the House Committee on Justice.
Ginagalang po ng Pangulo kung ano man po ang mga activities, ginagawa at mga desisyon po ng House of Representatives. So hayaan po natin ang proseso na umandar na naaayon sa batas.
Malacanang also said that the move is an attack on the administration, especially with the image of the entire country at stake. However, the palace said that whatever Congress may require, the president is ready to cooperate. Still, it stressed that these complaints will not stop the president from doing his job.
In a way, yes. Dahil sabi po natin, ang anumang pagsasampa ng impeachment complaint ay hindi lang ang Pangulo maapektuhan, kundi mismo ang bansa at ang ekonomiya. Unang-una po, itong mga impeachment complaint na naisampa laban sa Pangulo ay hindi po mapapahinto, hindi po mapapatigil ang Pangulo sa patuloy niyang pagtatrabaho para iangat ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Kung kinakailangan po at sinasabi na dapat na magbigay ng anumang dokumento, muli ang Pangulo po ay gumagalang sa proseso.
Meanwhile, Malacanang commended the move of House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos to inhibit himself from all impeachment proceedings. The palace said this simply shows the character and decency of the legislator in doing what is proper.
Hindi po nakikialam ang Pangulo sa mga anumang aksyon na gagawin ng kanyang anak dahil ang alam po niya, kailangan lamang pong tumpad ng kanyang anak sa mandato. Bilang public servant, alam po ni Congressman Marcos kung ano po ang sinasabi ng batas at ano po ang dapat niyang gawin.
Meanwhile, Malacanang chose not to respond to the statement of Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste, who claimed that the country is under de facto martial law. The palace also pointed out that there is no harassment being done against its critics.
Kung may mga kritiko, makikita naman po natin panay-panay ang pag-akusa, pagbibigay ng mga masasakit na salita na walang katotohanan kay Pangulo. Pero ang Pangulo mismo ay hindi po nagsasampa ng kaso. Kung lumalabag po sa batas, ang sino mang mga nagsasalita o may ginagawang aksyon, nararapat lamang po na sila ay makasuhan dahil po may batas na umiiral sa atin.
Kenneth Paciente from the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.